Matplotlib error, no module name Tkinter. I tried to use the Matplotlib package via PyCharm I on Windows 10. When I run this code, I get the following error. I know that in Python 2, exit was called Tkinter, but that is not the problem. I just installed a brand new Python 3.5.1. Edit. In addition, I also tried to import Tkinter and Tkinter, neither of these worked, both returned the error message I mentioned.
For Linux, Debian-based distros, RPM-based distros. For Windows. For Windows, I think the problem is you didn't install complete Python package. Since Tkinter should be shipped with Python out of box. See this URL. Good Python distributions for Windows can be found by the companies Anaconda or ActiveState. Test the Python module. PS I suggest installing IPython, which provides powerful shell and necessary packages as well.
You can use. If you don't want to use Tkinter at all. Also don't forget to use %matplotlib inline at the top of your notebook if using one. Edit. AG is a different backend like Tkinter for Matplotlib.
For Windows users, there's no need to download the installer again. Just do the following. Go to Start menu, type Apps and App, Features, search for Python in the search box, select a Python version, for example Python 3.8.3 RC132-bit, and click Modify. On the Modify Setup page click Modify, tick TD/TK and idle checkbox, which installs Tkinter, and click Next. Wait for installation and you're done.
On CentOS, the package names and commands are different. You'll need to do to fix the problem.
Almost all answers I searched for this issue say that Python on Windows comes with Tkinter and TCL already installed, and I had no luck trying to download or install them using pip or acvestate.com site. I eventually found that when I was installing Python using the binary installer, I had unchecked the module related to TCL and Tkinter. So, I ran the binary installer again and chose to modify my Python version by this time selecting this option. No need to do anything manually then. If you go to your Python terminal, then the following commands should show you version of Tkinter installed with your Python.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.